Hello and what's up, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll receive the notification for our upcoming videos. Today in this video, we are going to talk about new Galaxy Xcover 4 update comes with December 2018 Samsung security patch. Let's have a look together. Samsung is making a habit of releasing new Android security patches for its devices ahead of time. The Galaxy Xcover 4 is being updated with the December 2018 security patch in Luxembourg. Well, the December patch hasn't come as quickly as the November patch, which was released for multiple devices in last October. But the pace of Samsung security updates has certainly picked up considerably in recent months. The Galaxy Xcover 4 isn't getting a new security patch ahead of any other Galaxy phone for the first time either. As for the December patch, we can't say what vulnerabilities it fixes, but Samsung and Google should release official detail for the patch later this week. Well, the update is based on Android 8.1 Oreo operating system and comes with software version G390FXXU3BRK5. Whether it includes notable changes or improvements other than the security fixes remain to be seen. If you own a Galaxy Xcover 4, you can download it via the software update menu in the phone's setting app. Sam Mobile also have the firmware for the new update available in their database for those interested in getting the update without waiting for the over-the-air release. Let's talk about the details about December 2018 security patch of Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4. The December 2018 security patch has fixes for 6 critical vulnerabilities discovered in the Android operating system. The most severe vulnerability in the framework section could enable a malicious app to run unapproved code in the context of a privileged process. The patch also has fixes for more than a dozen high-risk vulnerabilities. However, no moderate or low-risk vulnerabilities were required to be patched in this latest security maintenance release. Well, this update does bring quite a patches for 40 Samsung vulnerabilities and exposures SVE items. This includes a vulnerability in the Secure Folder app which could have allowed access without authentication. Another vulnerability in the app could have resulted in the exposure of the Gallery app without authentication. Therefore, Samsung will now get down to the business of rolling out December 2018 security patch to supported devices. We should expect some handset to start receiving it within the next few days. The company may start rolling it out to high-end devices first. So ladies and gentlemen, this was the latest and authentic news about new Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4 update. We hope you like this video. If so, please hit the like button, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well to get notified on time about our upcoming videos. Till the next video, take care. Peace out. Bye-bye.